Yes, students, I'm taking one more also. Just like for representing present tense, I have discussed in previous topic. Just like before, it's what is am are means I have talked here. What is about is and am. I'm taking here helping verbs. I'm taking have. Here I am talking just like this is topic here, the present tense of the verb have. How shall we use in the sentences? Suppose we are representing is in the be form, to be form. So as an auxiliary verb means helping verb. I am using this have as here. Just like you see, example I am taking here positive form, negative form and in interrogative form. There are three forms are given here. I am using just like first one. In the beginning also we discuss these helping verbs are used as a big form means full form and a short form. It's just like I have taken a I have. Example you can see I have, but in short form what is here? H is hidden here. I have with the help of the apostrophe comma. Second number in negative I have not, but in short form what is here? H is hidden. I have not. And in interrogative form we can take here what is have I, a question mark here. In this place we can use another sentence also, just like some suppose there is given here have we is given. I can take here subject, I can change. So what are subject here? I am taking V, W-E-V I am taking, and what changes will take place you can see. What is we have means W-E-V have I am writing, and while we write here we apostrophe comma have, and here in negative form also we use we have in full forms we have not, and in negative form in short form we use here we have not, and in interrogative already we write here like this have we. So we can take here several examples. Subject can be changed here. We, you, they, like these sentences may be here, subject may be there, and we change. But we have to keep in mind only have is used with the plural number and has is used with the singular number. So for using this one we have to take care. One thing is similarity here. What is in the beginning I have told you that have, are, is, am, are. These helping verbs are representing present tense. Here I am talking, this is representing here present perfect tense. Is, am, are helping verbs are presenting simple present sometimes, and sometimes present continuous also as a helping verbs. But while we change the tense, this also to be form is used. So students, you have to try to understand, read it, read these paras properly. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.